Hello guys, magandang araw sa inyo. Ito na naman si Kuya Linux at ngayon ay magkakaroon tayo ng small tutorial about division of polynomials. So sana magkaroon kayo ng konting tutunan sa ating presentation, no? Yan. Rules and operation. Division of polynomials. Yan, no? Meron tayong key concept to remember. Number 1, yung una, subtract the exponents. Ayan, o. So, standard form natin is x to the m, halimbawa, divided by x to the n. Ang format niya, ayan, x raised to m minus n. Ayun, no? Sinusubtract natin yung yung exponents. Yung m and n doon, exponents. Yung x is the variable. Tapos yung sunod naman yung sign rules. Ayan, sign rules. So, let's say for example, we have x to the m divided by x to the negative n. Yan o, yung subtrahend, no? X to the negative n. Ayan o, pinapalitan natin yung sign, di ba? Kapag ka subtraction, papalitan natin yung sign. Kaya yung negative n, naging plus. Ayan o, negative n, naging plus na siya. So, x raised to m plus n. So, yung next, yung fraction naman, if the division doesn't result in a whole number, leave it as fraction. So, yung example natin, 5x over 2. So, since hindi siya whole number, di ba? Yung 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So, pabayaan nyo lang. 5x over 2. Okay, we go to example, no? Example. Dividing monomial to monomial. 20x to the 6 divided by 5x cubed. So, ilabas niya lang yung mga coefficient, 20 and 5. Ayan, 20 divided by 5 times yung variable niya x raised to the 6 minus 3. Kasi yung exponent natin 6 and 5, di ba? 6 and 3, sorry. So, x raised to 6 minus 3. And then we simplify. 50 over 5. Kaya naging 4 doon. And then yung sa variable naman, x raised to 6 minus 3, naging x cubed. So, simplifying, that is 4x cubed. And then next example, 45y raised to the 10 divided by 9y raised to the 6. So, similarly, ilabas natin yung mga variables. Ayun, 45, tsaka yung 9. So, 45 divided by 9. or over 9. Then yung yung variables naman and exponents, y raised to 10 minus 6. So palaging sinusubtract ang exponent, no? Pagdating sa division. Sa multiplication, ina-add. Dito naman, mina-minus or sinusubtract. Ayan, 10 minus 6. Okay, so simplifying, 45 divided by 9 is 5. And then, y raised to 10 minus 6 is y to the 4th. So the answer is 5y to the 4th. So kailangan is kabisado nyo na yung table as well as multiplication table, di ba? So let's go to a next example. Yan. Dividing binomial to a monomial. So we have here 6x plus 9. That is a binomial divided by 3. So gagawin nyo lang, i-distribute 6x divided by 3 and divided by 3. Ayun, no? 6x divided by 3 plus 9 divided by 3. Ayan, o. Tingnan nyo yung cursor ko, yung pointer pala. Kulay-pula. Ayan, o. 6x divided by 3. Ayan na. Nilabas yung coefficient 6 and 3. And then yung variables is x raised to 1 minus 0. Yung 3 wala siyang variable. So 0. So yan, o. X raised to 1 minus 0. Then yung susunod na term, 9 over 3 or 9 divided by 3, di ba? So, ayan na. Sinimplify ko na 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then x raised to 1 minus 0 is x. Di ba? X to the 1 is x. So, the answer is 2x plus 3. Next. Yan. Binomial again. We have 10y squared minus 15y divided by 5y. So again, distribute 10y squared divided by 5y minus 15y divided by 5y. Ayan, o. Okay, then we simplify. 10 and 5, yun, nilabas na siya. Ha? 10 divided by 5. Then yung variable niya is y raised to 2 minus 1. O, kasi yung 5y raised to 1 yun eh. Tapos yung y squared, so 2. Minus divided by 5. Yung coefficient. Then times y raised to 1 minus 1. O kasi yung 15y raised to the 1 yan eh. Tapos yung 5y raised to the 1 din. So magma-minus 1 minus 1. So yan na. Simplifying. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Y raised to 2 minus 1 is y raised to 1. You know? Yung pointer ko. Minus 15 divided by 5 is 3 times y raised to 1 minus 1. Kaging 3y raised to 0. Di ba? 1 minus 1 is 0. Yang y raised to 0 na yan, makakancel na yan eh. Magiging 1 yan. Any number or any term raised to 0 is 1. O, tandaan nyo yun ha. Kaya natira na lang is 3. Kasi yung y to the 0 naging 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Kaya naging 2y minus 3. Yun yung sagot natin. So, note, any term raised to 0 is 1. Okay, next. So, ito naman, binomial to monomial uli. So, meron tayong 12a to the fourth minus 15a squared divided by 3a squared. So, again, distribute 12a to the fourth divided by 3a squared. You know, 12a to the fourth divided by 3a squared minus 15a squared divided by 3a squared. After ma-distribute, then i-simplify na natin. And ilabas nyo na yung coefficient 12 and 3. Ayan o, 12 divided by 3 yun eh. Or 12 over 3. Tapos yung variables is a to the fourth plus 2. Okay, so bakit naging 4 plus 2 ano? So yung diniscuss natin kanina, pagka subtraction, magpapalit tayo ng sign ng subtrahend. Yung 3a raised to negative 2, negative 2 yun eh, yung exponent niya, di ba? So, 4 minus negative 2, so change the sign of negative 2 to positive. Then proceed to addition. Kaya naging plus 2 or positive 2. Ayan o. Di ba? So, 4 plus 2, di ba? Yung exponent niya. Then next, 15a squared divided by 3a to the negative 2. So yun, nilabas uli yung coefficient, no? 15 over 3 times yung a squared divided by a to the negative 2. Ayun. Magiging a raised to 2 plus 2. Kasi yung negative sign magiging plus. Kasi minus yan eh. Mina-minus natin yung exponent. So, yung rule natin is change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. Ayan o, kaya naging a plus 2. a 2 plus 2 pala. Then simplify. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Ayan o. Tapos yung variable niya, a raised to 4 plus 2 is a to the 6. Minus 15 over 3 is 5. And then yung ano niya, variable niya is a raised to 2 plus 2. A to the 4th. Yan na yung sagot natin. 4a to the 6 minus 5a to the 4th. Rules in subtracting, no? Change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. Okay, let's take another example. Ay, by the way, ayun o, nakita nyo merong red line and yellow line. So, yan yung pattern natin, distribution. So, i-distribute nyo lang siya, 12a to the 4th divided by 3a squared minus yung sa yellow naman, 15a squared divided by 3a squared. So, ganun lang. Paulit-ulit lang yun. Dividing trinomial to monomial. We have 6x cubed plus 9x squared minus 12x. That is a trinomial. Divided by 3x. That is a monomial. Again, distribute. Ayun o, meron tayong red, yellow, and blue line. Ayun, yung una, yung red, 6x cubed divided by 3x. Ayun. O, yun o, yung unang term. Then, the yellow line, 9x squared divided by 3x. O, yun o. Paulit-ulit lang siya. Tapos yung blue line, minus 12x divided by 3x. O, yun yung pangatlo. Divide 6 over 3 times x cubed divided by divided by x. Kaya naging x raised to 3 minus 1. Yan. Then yung pangalawa, 9 divided by 3, yung coefficient, ayun o, 9 and 3. Tapos yung exponent, yung variable niya naman, x raised to 2 minus 1. O, kasi x squared yun eh. Tapos yung divisor niya is x. So, x raised to 2 minus 1 minus 12 over 3. Ayun o, 12 over 3. Yung coefficient. And then yung sa variables niya naman, x raised to 1 minus 1. O, kasi may 1 yung mga x na yan eh. Automatic may 1 yan. So, x over x is x raised to 1 minus 1. So, itong format ko yung ginagamit ko, medyo mahaba siya, no? Sa inyo, kung gusto nyo yung shortcutin, basta ito lang yung para mapakita ko yung operation niya. And then, we simplify. Ayun, 12x divided by 3x. Excuse me. So, ayan na, simplify na natin. 6 over 3 is 2 times x raised to 3 minus 1 is x squared. 3 minus 1 is 2. So, 2x squared, yung unang term. Plus, 9 over 3 is 3 times x squared minus 1. X raised to 2 minus 1. Ayan o. So, matitira na lang is 3x. Kasi 9 over 3 is 3 times x is 3x. Then yung pangatlo, 12 over 3 is 4. So, nawala na yung variable. Kasi x raised to 1 minus 1 is x to the 0. So, sabi natin, x to the 0 is 1. Diba? Any term raised to 0 is 1. Kaya nawala na siya. Naging 1 na siya. Kaya natira na lang yung 4. So, yan yung answer natin. 2, 2x squared plus 3x minus 4. So guys, meron tayong checking, no? So how to check? Just substitute any number to the variable x, say 2 for our example. Ayan o, papakita ko yung checking. Ayan o. 6x cubed plus 9x squared minus 12x divided by 3x is equal to 2x squared plus 3x. Ayan, nilagyan ko ng box yung given natin na equation, di ba? Tapos yung pangalawang may box, yung sagot natin. So, inequate ko lang. So, 6x cubed plus 9x squared minus 12x divided by 3x is equal to 2x squared plus 3x minus 4. So, isubstitute natin yung 2 dun sa x. You can substitute any number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it's up to you. So, sa sample ko, 2. So, yun, pinalitan ko na yung, yung mga x. Yan, 2, 2. Ayan, kita nyo? Yung x, naging 2 na siya. Tapos, i-retain nyo lang yung mga exponents and operations, plus minus. Tapos, i-simplify nyo natin. Ayan, 12x, naging 12 times 2. 3x, naging 3 times 2. 2x squared, naging 2 times 2 raised to 2. 3x, naging 3 times 2 minus 4. So, simplify. Yung una, 6 times 2 raised to 3 is 48. Kasi 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Times 6 is 48. Di ba? Yung 2 raised to 3, 8 yun eh. Times 6, 48. Tapos yung pangalawa naman, 9 times 2 raised to 2 is 36. Di ba? Kasi 2 times 2, 2 square is 2 times 2 is equal to 4 times 9, 36. O yun. Then yung pangatlo, 12 times 2, 24. Minus 24. Divided by 3 times 2, ayun, 6 is equal to, dito naman tayo sa kabilang side, no? Tandaan nyo guys, ang algebraic equation, may dalawang two sides lagi. Yung kaliwa, tsaka yung nasa kanan. Kaya siya tinatawag na equation eh. Kasi ini-equate mo yung dalawang equation. Di ba? Equal. Left and right side. So, ito na yun. In-equate ko na. So, ito na yun. 2 times 2 raised to 2. Yung nasa right side. So, that is 8. Plus 3 times 2 is 6. Minus 4. So, simplify. 48 plus 36 is 84. Minus 24. Divided by 6 is equal to 14 minus 4. Diba? Kasi 8 plus 6, 14 eh. So, simplifying further, 84 minus 24 is 60. And then divided by 6 is equal to 14 minus 4 is 10. So, simplifying, 60 over 6 is 10. So, 10 is equal to 10. Therefore, our equation is true and our answer is correct. So, ganun yung gagawin nyo guys na checking. Doon sa mga diniscuss natin na addition, subtraction, yung multiplication, magkakaroon na kayo ng left and right side na equation. So, naka-equate na yun Mag-substitute kayo ng any number. Pag nag-equal siya, ibig sabihin tama yung sagot nyo. So, ito yung topic muna natin ngayon. Yung simple muna na division. Yung binomial divided by a monomial and trinomial divided by a monomial. Sa next presentation ko, ang i-discuss ko naman sa inyo yung maramihan, yung halimbawa 4 terms divided by a 2 term. So, ito yung tinatawag na long method division, tsaka yung isang method niya, yung synthetic. So, medyo mahaba kasi yung solution So, ihiwalay natin yun. So, ito may part 2. So, ito yung part 1. Tapos yung susunod, yung part 2. Yung long method and synthetic division. Okay? Kung mag-comment lang kayo dyan sa comment bar, sasagutin natin yan. Guys, may papakita ako sa inyo, Ito, about science naman to. Yan. So, ito yung video na pinapakita nila kapag nag-travel ka by plane. Plane ba? Yung mga normal passenger plane. Ito yung tagal na ita-travel mo from Earth to different planets in the solar system plus yung Sun. Tingnan nyo, yung una, Earth to Venus, 5.3 years. Diba? Tapos Earth to Mars, 9.9 or 9 years, no? Around 9 years ba yan? Hindi ko mabasa masyado. And then Earth to Mercury, 11.9 years. And then Earth to Sun, 19 years. To Jupiter, 80 years. Saturn, 162 years. And then Earth to Uranus or Neptune. Nakalimutan ko na yung yung planets yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Teka, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Tama, Uranus nga to. 345 years. Then Neptune. Ilan yan? 542 years. Earth to Pluto, 774 years. Oh. Yung pinakamalapit, yung Venus, 5 years, no? 5 to 6 years. So kung magta-travel ka ng biplane, makarating ka doon within mga approximately 6 years, no? So kung mga 20 years old ka na, makarating ka doon, 26 years old ka na. Ang matindi itong Pluto. 774 years. Kailangan mong maging vampira para tumagal ka ng 1,000 years, no? Joke lang. So, ulitin ko nga. So, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. So, 9, no? 4 plus 5 is 9. So, pakicorrect nyo na lang ako, guys. Baka mali si Kuya Linux, eh. Nakalimutan ko na. Medyo matagal na kasi, no? Hanggang dito na lang. Meron kayong konting natutunan sa ating small tutorial. Basta may question kayo, i-comment nyo lang. Tapos sasagutin natin pag may time tayo. Okay guys, see you on my next content. Thank you.